For a 2-hour lecture, skip Whisper and use Azure AI Speech batch transcription. The Azure OpenAI Whisper deployment caps files at 25 megabytes. That's roughly 20 minutes of decent audio. Speech scales to hours without splitting the file. This is for engineers turning recordings into study decks. We'll cover 3 things: transcription, flashcard generation, and cost. One of them hides a gotcha that quietly doubles your bill. Here's the whole pipeline. Audio lands in blob storage as a WAV or MP3 file. Azure AI Speech transcribes it into timestamped text. That transcript flows to Azure OpenAI. The model returns question and answer pairs as structured JSON. We store the finished text back in blob storage. 5 moving parts, 1 Python script. No cluster, no server to babysit. Why speech over Whisper? Whisper is one clean API call, dead simple. But it chokes past 25 megabytes and gives no speaker labels. Azure AI Speech handles hours of audio and diarization. It also returns word-level timestamps for free. Whisper wins for short clips and quick prototypes. Reach for speech when lectures run long or need speakers separated. Batch transcription is asynchronous, not instant. You submit a job pointing at the blob URL. Speech processes it and writes results to storage. You poll the job until status reads succeeded. 4 files under a few minutes. Use fast transcription instead. It returns text in a single synchronous call. Pick async for full lectures, fast for short snippets. Now the fun part. Send the transcript to GPT-4o Mini with a strict schema. Structured outputs guarantee valid JSON every time. No regex, no broken parsing at midnight. Ask for a front, a back, and a topic tag. Chunk long transcripts so you stay under the context window. This keeps each call cheap and reliable. Cost splits across 2 services. Azure AI Speech bills per audio hour, around $1. Azure OpenAI bills per token, input plus output. A 2-hour transcript is maybe 30,000 tokens. GPT-4o Mini keeps that generation under a few cents. Transcription, not generation, dominates your bill here. That surprises most people who fear the language model cost. Here's the gotcha I promised. Feeding the whole transcript in one prompt looks cheap, but a retry on failure resends every token you already paid for. Chunk into 10-minute segments and cache each result. One bad run on a full transcript can double spend. Set a max token limit and log every call. Idempotent chunks let you resume without repaying. Quick rule. Short clips, use Whisper. Long lectures, use Azure AI Speech. Always demand structured JSON from the model. And chunk before you generate to control cost. Prices and limits shift, so check the current Azure docs. Clone the repo in the description and build your own deck. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.